إن تعذبهم فإنهم عبادك وإن تغفر لهم فإنك أنت العزيز الحكيم. The translation is, if you punish them, who? These people. If you punish them, they are your servants. And if you forgive them, you are exalted in power and wise. I am asking the Christian world, the whole Christian world, that Isa, peace be upon him, in spite of the fact you believing in the God and Mother of God, he's asking for your forgiveness. He's asking for your forgiveness. It's in the whole Quran. He is the only prophet who is asking for forgiveness of mankind. He is the only one prophet in the whole Quran. إن تعذبهم فإنهم عبادك وإن تغفر لهم فإنك أنت العزيز الحكيم. Which we people believing him as alive and they believing as God, still is asking, if you punish them, they are your servants. But if you forgive them, you are exalted and wise. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that Jesus, peace be upon him, in fact, that on the last day he came to know because of the question of Allah, that did you say unto men that worship me and my mother as gods? A mightier messenger, and you gave him that wrong concept in the world. You wanted to kill his personality. Still that fact, he's asking for your forgiveness. He's asking for your forgiveness. And you, the people who says that he's alive, is similar saying that he's God. Because everybody knows it is Allah who is living. There is no God except Allah, who is Hayyul Qayyum, who is alive and self-sustaining and existing. There is no God who can live for eternity. For years he is living.